You know this song? Lori loves this song. Hang on.
Well, Lori would like it. She's got a thing for black guys. Fucking jungle fever, having chain smoking.
Today, guys,
pig.
I relaxed and I. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Good Lord. The dog's probably got a ton of energy. Here. The coyote ran by right here.
Jesus Christ, that's a lot of face.
That seems good size for like a bedroom, right? That seems. That seems good size for like a bedroom, right? 25 feet, and for a living room, 25 feet wide.
Beautiful.
We can make them as long as we want.
Beautiful place, Bob.
Good Lord. That's not a country song. And baby, seeing what's going on. Hold me back.
Like that?
From yours or from our joint?
Mine.
Ooh, that's a bad deal.
Yeah. The card's shut down, but I don't have access to anything now.
Okay, use the red card. You can use the red card for.
That'd be awesome because I wanted to do a pickup for we need.
There's like
heavy stuff.
9,000 in the bank right now.
Okay.
But I got to pay some bills. I'll keep at least 1,000 in the bank or something. Well, that blows.
Yeah.
Well, have you bought anything online or anything?
No. I haven't used it in.
Gas station or anything?
I got about 9,000 in the bank. Good job, boo.
No, even at the gas station, I used cash, so I haven't used it in a couple of weeks.
Good thing there's only $9,000 in the account.
So that's just weird. And I haven't ordered anything.
You don't get any of that mail at our other house, do you? Like a statement for it or anything?
No, it's all online.
Way to go, Lori, you dope.
Oh, I know.
And Temecula is outside of LA. Yeah, but all these fucking people, how does, Lori hasn't used her card anywhere. How all of a sudden do they have her card and her ID enough to purchase something offline?
They didn't ask for ID, obviously.
They didn't ask for ID, that's the problem.
Wah, wah, wah.